Say Masaudu, be careful, eh? Sala cow. Me say where sala and chim na hujinem. So say a blessed afa. One. Ope sorry me bear campaign. Ope sorry popular. Memoir popular rough. Hilo memlelization. Memlemless. Wa emre Jimmy. Ufrin tebuom. Kurasini ba. Kurasini pa ba. Kurasini ba. Kakranka kana obeto kumase. Bra unwase. I will to attention betina radio so. Mama. And at the end they hilo. Naturally, the NPP are foolish. Naturally. And you say, Bia, me time will be in a make a dear making you. And I say, Bia, me some NPP ni, but men am Nimians and I'm actually home, and it's a make a woman show. Naturally, they are naturally foolish. They are naturally born stupid. They are naturally born foolish. I just say, oh, join the party, the pay. Nice wabodam. I say, Nyansi, friend, Nyansa, common sense. I will be using the common sense application. I'll be using the aya unyoman kitchen who say where do we pay now you question. I say ebino video you listen to this video.
So what can you tell her? Take time.
All right.
Take time.
What kind of
foolish man?
Oh,
Pato me pese me use platform we na ma send caution or street warning to Kevin Taylor. Me, Alhaji Masaudu, I never mentioned Kevin Taylor in my interview. But me no me sure Kevin Taylor. But when me keep comment to be on per se, me mauti as I said, the one ne kasano. Me nya ordinary person like the way we know Kevin Taylor yano. Me a national third vice chairman of a biggest opposition party. The party barely now 8 months ago we were governing this country. So on him. Me kula me ba na send sa video mami. O si me no o bomedi se o say me sala nantwi.
Oh, okay.
O si bomedi se
sala cow.
Well, o si me sala cow. Be say me kire ni say sanka onimi shira. Ewo sala cow no odi frame no anka de bia obebo medim Alhaji Masaudu sala cow to we Muslims
so why
no so no nim say adida tam no didi but me ye sala cow me ye sala cow me ma jitom say me sala cow but onu wo ya NDC krama wo abonten no or so we see take it. Look, let me tell you.
He said it on his platform.
Okay, look.
He said it on his platform. What man?
Oh, dear, me. Mami, we.
No, man, they all kind. They only say, "Send Kamini Calvin or Hano for Salakawa." That's why I say, "Oh, what you to say Salakawa?" Media, and come catch and so on. But I will not sit here. Wabra Uniha, yeah, own your opportunity to defend himself. Now, our friend, no, Dean Fufu.
Okay, would you? Okay, Mati. What we say? Osaka say, "Was say me, ebikura." Me di kura say me di kura me ntumi ntwere but onimi the one to me ntwere ne din aye NDC national first vice chairman onu na ye
stray bullet
no but me manotia wonim okasa no I want him to understand something yeah okay tell okay me person me catch and say so onim me gina bro Ghana ha and you know one in terms of education, my education credential has no doubt. One, me could have 3 degrees. Me could have first degree in education. Education in social studies, which are obtained it in Valley View University. You should go and check the records. Me could have masters, 2 masters. Me could have masters in agribusiness. Me are the best students in agric. Me gina honom no West Africa ha sa omo pe nkromfo omo so agric pa me Alhaji Masaudu me ka ho. It is not about speaking English practically me I did agric engineer na really nim sa
everything as my bro eti ohowo Masamudu. Walai. So what to that TV so throw myself I make Jamie Juma deal we. What to throw I kind myself I'll end my production. Whoa. Wo Masaudu. So what we na TV so pen and paper. Extra myself money see. Na kind you know TV so me jam show we me jaye. Na so be say salad nchia. Na so salad nchia inshira wo ma wo ha on say. Wo bet my press up 10. Wonam Ghana na nkwasi akeka na ye wo de nkwasi asem. Wo ye de best student. Na when na na take class o chira de no. Wo so oh masters in de. Wo ye ga spell uni obet my spell. Amazaud. What Ghana na nkwasi akeka. Wabodu kuya se ona oprapra Johnson bia e Uzbekistan. What's the wo ti bibia si ena de Kevin Taylor no ena onu we yi e party kraman ena mutum banzani. What's the hwe na moju si abeso so wo ti we de wa yi wo de wa yi ka so de kosi asori fie anase sebio ye de kosi asori fie abontere wa asori fie na nka anopa pa na de kokwa bro no wanom imponche ne ba so no apam wo de de betum de wa ye also what the degree in agric studies the agric engineering wo and then was any point na ugina bontene abrante oka so beku President Mahama odo kwasia e ka chesa wo support no na ukora na wo kan na meso mi busa akora no sa akora sa na kirew why wonim fi seteka be gina ga say na mentiasie munafiki mese wo Koran no a wo kan na meme ejidi na wo so so wugidi no Koran na wo kan no Koran egitum say kwasi ampanyin na o ka so beku president na obegina so wo support no na onkos no nku president sa Koran na wo so wo kan no alhaji na wo ye no hoho na wo ye no efo sa de no so why wonim ba sa ABC dia begira kan kwasi asam ntianya dan wo person de mi ko win election montoma no na sa kala sala chaos we mi hia bebre wa NPP mo mi hia bebre de ma sala mo sala count sa o na ntwie de bia ho o kasa sa asantefonia kanfo no mo party no omo group o mo se hwe srem dwan no de bia sa no mo ka kire wo inkwasi adwuma ni nyina na ye wo so ye de masters wo academic de hey tiatia break na fa wo tun wusie kotena bebi ni andwene ye ho ye bebu Ghana wo 8 months ye de Ghana ma ona wo ka ho no bebi Ghana duru na ye ofe why woni mu nwuran se letters wo 8 months na say we are leading the opposition and the NPP 8 months na Ghana time na wo ka ona ye tire Ghana wo de na Ghana ye woni mu rough for say lotto numbers abi ginoma me ntiase sala na twie me say so ya bema sebio bema da unantem watching we ya say watching we ya bra betena TV na wotena so no na yi pen and paper wo so we academic de natural myself keke we are no sign ya kind of TV so wo na nka so bom more na nka bom NPP ke be ye party ya ye be ye kenke MP for be ye kenke party na nka obodoko no wo na wotena TV so o ka sa asem we he
when they say something it's primary fascicles, which means
he has a case to answer.
He has case to answer. But the constitutionally instrument here is whether or not all primary fascicles are true and are yes.
No, maybe.
Let me tell you. You agree? Let me tell you.
That's
let me tell you. Do you understand?
Committee sits.
So it can be fabricated.
That's why
it can be lies.
So if
that's why the committee sits.
You see?
Let's have.
Look,
let me.
I'm not a lawyer, but I'm very much lawyer.
We third vice chairman, a whole political party. Yentamo party, yentantam Ghana ma wo. Salakau te sewo. Ana wanga don hwahwehwem. Udru fia ma oyirimfa insuensi bathroom ne dware. Udware wi amenhye dross. Ahwehwe tenten no, edua de girem. Bro hu nyina. Never habai tare obema so, ne ginem. Ne busa ho se me ankasa masa wudumi ye de yi. Masa Rama Fasiki. Misudru fia dare hohroto because me hwe bia wonsane ntia na endru oto hohoroto ohoroto wia na wabegyina hwehwem ahwehwe tenten ni bi menhye bibia na ginam na busan say na miankasa Masawudu me ye den wo se wadwim na bowom salakao he wodi wudim de ba oti radio so keka nkwase asa wo so na half shoot tantan bi na nam Ghana na wo nenti si form na wo nan na ese tabro no sie na di nkwase asa wo Ghana ye kan wadi ma no dede wo pese me ye campaign mo aka na me ye campaign mo o ye nya ho mpobwa de bia sala time ye pesu ataba kura je bi ntoma wo wonan kakraka de bia o half shoe o half shoe salada mama za go ti akwado kwa zeri view salakao
na hearing him sir so can you tell her take time
All right.
take time
What kind enough?
foolish man
Oh.
Pato me pese me yusu.
o guys am a foolish man who's Masawudu say me a foolish man hey Masawudu wallahi so I'm at TV so I retract this asem na hey me know die who say me a foolish man obi say Masawudu apetekura who say me a foolish man Masawudu how Masawudu wonaka kraka yenya hu shi nto last sa party ba so NPP before party ye ka so obi anche shumra went to man ko bi because yenya hu shi nice former I say kako Unai tabrabese. Unaga kata wasafuma fuano. Unai kakra. Uko kromotisa wasafuma fuano. Abofru. I said, if you come here, some 7 flags ni bi. The top flags ah. That we are shade. Masawudu. Who say me a foolish man? All right, maybe sure, but I would do minimum whole time. Oh, some boxes crown out and now. Hey, whoa, hey, Masawudu, hey, whoa. Also, White Chapel, Sport Better TV, so you can't say the question. They be now you won't say because a meme out to. Oh, I know White Chapel now. Hey, Masawudu, be careful, eh? Sala cow, Mr. Where Salan and Jim, which them. So I'll say a blessing of fat. One, a blessing, I'm Mr. Fat. Ope so me be campaign ope so popular me mo popular rough oba TV so me mo nyo kotena sa TV na so fa kire na tworo myself uwi a wa sign it uwi na do 9 esi table so ni ahwe wo na ase ye nya hu hwu nto wo ne nam Ghana ye nya hu hwu nto de bi also no half shoot nam Ghana I say o pack jeni wo o fui mo ma yem fan hihye so me ni time o maka che won say na saying I just say social media are quiet kakra oko eye TikToker. I say Jimmy no ko form about for so go jail. Mete say eye hilo and hilo ya de ko call yes was go dem.
Hero. You are stronger than Apata, hero.
be strong we are standing with you eh be strong eh
Nothing will happen. Hero. You are stronger than Apata, hero.
be strong we are standing with you eh be strong eh
Hilo. I am a hilo I am memorialization. Hilo I am memorialization. I am Jimmy. Ufrin tebuom kurasini ba. Kakranka kana obeto kumase. Bra wo ho ase. I wo to achenchina betina radio so mama ena de wo hu hilo. Omo mo ye hilo no. Omo kwa akoda wo. Omo aba omo han mu ada ofie. Say what me nka because ebia police no duty no or hwe me. Into what me voice. Obebre brutal. Hilo. They be a catch young people that with the NPP chini say Jimina Musiano Munjai. Oh say hello. One kasa party radio no. Wontumi radio no. And I'm about to catch it say where Jimmy do. Omukano suspend won't come home. A lesson to a yet more was a from the NPP chino.
so this year I can't partner with one more responsible because he's aware of everything but can you say I'm not going to do NDC no. On do manu kum nipa The free woman nipa.
The jam machine no near pacho. And year management. And ye share say o met TV so. Any reduce make a service answer no and sem fino and fantia Ghana for. Station is so answer so. And I'm saying to me no ka say see ano. Achenkwa suspending no.
Achenkwa me ke kura no obe certificate kura oni bi ye wo duase ye wo nteburom eduase time na ye wo na papa te dame ase odi eburo dua na etwi ne to ene ye frɛ ne eja ba yawo kode ye lo brabehwe Jimmy ye wo nteburom ebo sisa na uhu stars wo wiem ekurasi tu ubeduru kumase a una obekasa ma NPP why wano se vin ene ye ntiasie on say a tija no omu nyina ja hokɔ fie o ade no ma demonstration said omu ye ma che ma Wontumi no Achenkwa ah ya wo na papa de brodua ene twi ne to ade ntino ma demonstration ama omu so wejimi and this goes out to you the people mon kwala na mo tete TikTok na mo hu nyanyan ehiafo ma de bia makai mo 99% of you mon kwala na mo tete TikTok gen say politics na aba me credit ehiafo ma mo hu nyanyan se condense makase ana munsie nyansam firi bibi mu emra ne so mu a emra enchi wa bagin se emra ni ho na mo de social media on say ko TikTok a why din kakra omo kase no maso ma no ehiafo ma ye chi wo a ye de etufuo okukasa nkwase akasa na ye so mu a on say ye ne no na ye kasa no na ye de fact taroto ebesi nne obi antumi nko Ghana court in case Kevin Taylor eka asem we no nkuta fact ntimi siu no onso obi antumi nye because asem bi eka no ha bia na fact tare chire obi enu obetuma aka se me ye scandal bi fa no ho na ono so na evidence ni mo papa na mudi nechi no na ado danko ekufu ado no ne mma no mo na mo no won so bi ti TikTok di atama ma obi magimi ehiafo ma ehia buburo ehiafo ma obekona chensin domot titidie ni bi ena ne maami ahyehye miensa ene ye de atichidie chintuma mienu ogu ni fie ne japade no na ote TikTok one city na okeka nkwa ada mo be kyewo no na so ko TikTok obuntumi nkasa ye ntiase ye be hede ebesi ye de se wa hwe wo ye be ma kasa wo ye be ma ukutadua kasa e afere mu bube mu de mumbube na mo amotete so na mo say ye de obi on say ebi mu gumo unimu mra o sometimes to meet NPP ni bi ano asem ai na Kevin Taylor say no di atem si di ateme na Kevin Taylor di atem na yeso be si di atem di asane di atem na wudi asana wudi atem wi a ana bo se sa na atem eni asane nam enti unso bia jimi a eno be use Kevin Taylor de anya ntiase na Kevin Taylor masa mesrawo di atam ni bi memfa ngina so ma bo wadwene keka nsama kese na mra no so mu a and a hilo I'm a first day no buy na on say bibia nkata ni tiri ho omo ka chere free kuma so omo tumi nya ofoko bema ye party ne dia time na okasa na ni producer gina ho kegum watch say achi producer da bi producer da wo kofie nipa na all handle phones no e phone lines no kegum ye dia ya sase ni and also okobra ne the content say sokoban guitar and what den sesia and am hama no and a graw and wo hu ba kumpo kwase ampanyi on say udem on say hilo afede oba now de but e kadiga na kata wutiri so on pese e behu yenimu until let me tell you, we are a young person now on social media and you want to be outspoken. Make sure you protect yourself with the facts. That's all. I mean, that's my advice to everyone. So, because me de Kevin Taylor yedibi, me de me NPP ni, I am going to also go after NDC. You have the right. Me NPP ni, me person me sumi go NPP ni NDC ni ma say you have the right. Me John Mahama me say anything, you have the right. Me aban we me mo humeda, you have all the right. But you have the facts to protect yourself. And then a distinction between you and me. distinction na da me mu me ne wontem no eno no. Do you have the facts to support whatever you say? And it's me tik room ha no. Can the Japan full plane by America they be call court. I won because as some be no court nyina no judge catch and say oh njina so. Na wo njina so. Do you have the facts to defend yourself? Inti mumu bi no mu sua de bia aya mama ma adwini mbre fie kakra. Hey, you can insult and insult. Nobody will have a problem with you. Me, de bia nkofo di matem. I don't have a problem with it. John Mahama, yesterday di na tem nyendo. Amanfo di na tem sa. Udi John Mahama tema oni problem. Pastor na no poko adwuma no ono o chere ade e na oye so about politics into otiasie atenie is part of it. Oni problem. But the moment you cross that line to threaten somebody's life, a hore de osemra ni wudi. Eno na mumu bebre na mu di NPP chi mu agimi nti munim. Jimi na dokromo mu nsua de eye nkurasefo party. Mu ina monkey ni yini tipe sa adwe na ehye mumu no sa adwe no mama ne red pe na opete ne ho a na de aka nyina ye jimi. De aka nyina ye jimi. Inti obi hu NPP ni pe, obi po na beka so NPP ni hu the inner monkey in them. See be omo kasa, send your reason, see be omo dressing, you can see the inner monkey in them because mama ne twa mu photo. Ya do be ko insawon pleasing. Yeah, hilo. Obo careless, caressa. Omre be ko insawon pleasing. Ni do go do insawon pleasing. Na pleasing others for no. Omo sibianka ombema unhu ahyehye no because e ho blade di ho. And a lever soon you ho. And a pap brown blade. And a the helicopter helicopter. Helicopter no best require. And also a check it in some pleasing ho. Te oya so upie na helicopter no. Atew. Or the tiabo fre. Inti ukasa kasa ye. Aweja. Kevin you pay us some Jimmy. All right, mommy and you jump near enim. What do I have here? This done. Now there's something we need to react to. And the NPP for some so. The issue with Ridge Hospital no, and the now you see, if we one of the ghost team members in Kotoko should be about negligence and the level of negligence in our hospitals is getting out of hand. Whatever happened at Ridge Hospital, they have to investigate it, and I'm in full support of the investigations. Omi investigations na eba out na ehu de wedi for the law is there to deal with that person or those people. That is a fact we all have to support. But we cannot also sit and act as if say our health system, especially our health professionals, they are not being negligent in their duties. The health minister a grantee interview be recently or say Ghana you lose almost 10 million. If I'm not wrong, over 10 million to negligence. You can say negligence on behalf of health personnel, nurse for doctor for obuha obejia wo instead see ebehwe so aye de o say ye di mra so ma owo fa no ho fa no ba no obi tumi anyoma bi na oba na hwere ne nkwa anasa akora na hwere ne nkwa nyoma bi wo ha hospital e wo say etumi ye nurse for doctors titiru nurse for sene be ya emfa edien accident bi mba obi hwere ne nkwa Ghana ban nurse for any doctors ya ma mu dwumadie so mu ndi no e ka o de breye negligence during their duties no it's over 10 million Ghana cedis. This is not a joke. We should also sit back and ask ourselves, say, hey, and then your health system no, right now it is looking like and the Yakaseko hospital I just say Yakaseko and the Yakasebra hospital I say Yakaseko all because the people are interested nipa bebre life they are shobonsa hospital professional and I say health professionals nurse for doctors no most of them are not doing what they have to do and because of that inti nipa bebre inti this Ridge Hospital incidents it should also give us this kind of eye-opening angle for us to critically look at our health system. So Health Minister Kachere say, and I listened to him, from 2015 all the way to 2024, you retooling your health system in Ghana. Meaning say, from 2015 I'm Free Power, 2016 NDC free power omuja Ghana health sector and share NPP in Semuno. They could not at the end of the day revamp. Bonika said revamp for PZ for Muntiemi. So I'm for you guys a revamp and a retooler. Omon to man shemukena. Omon to man fan fidebia megum. Omon to man sibianka hon. Into the Mahama Muja 2016 no. And no na yekute kutema babedu 2025. Whoa. It means we basically have a deficit when it comes to our health sector. For a government and as a political party to come to power for 8 years and not basically doing anything about our health sector. Say, when was the last time I say NPP are buying for the 8 years on Bediso? I re-equipping any of the regional hospitals in Ghana? No. They could not even build one regional hospital. They didn't care about hospitals, no. Even their Omobeto to say Sewia Afari, they were about 87 to 90% done. Equipment gumno, they left it to rot, or they left them to rot. It should tell you the kind of a Jimmy Fwa Yede Ghana show Monsa for the past 8 years. And it's about time we started asking the relevant questions when it comes to professionalism, when it comes to we making sure say, Yede hospitals are show Monsa, and yet nurse for doctors, are they actually living up to it? Are they doing what they have to do? Are they saving lives, or at the end of the day, they are rather taking lives away from us? Ridge Hospital are somewhere see here. Ridge Hospital are somewhere see here. We have been talking a lot about the security issues. We have been talking a lot about some people diverting the real issues, making it a personal political issue. But we have also not asked ourselves to say, what actually made that happen? Because if those people we are accusing today say Omoba Hospital because of chaos, when they enter the hospital, if they had been given the necessary assistance, I don't think say anyone who is being taken care of hospital at the hospital own all the necessary assistance. That person will be crazy enough to start making noise or speaking out. Hardly do you come to a hospital, obia koyeno nurse here they also here the professionalism is there, the sense of urgency is there. People are basically doing their job. I don't think anybody will go out of the normal and start doing things they are not supposed to do. So we need to also look at the problem from where it started. How did it start? What caused that problem? And it's not just Ridge Hospital. This is a problem that cuts across district, regional, training hospital, whatever you want to call it. It is not just Ridge Hospital. And this is an eye-opener. All of us, we need to sit back and start asking ourselves serious questions. This is the time and now we expect to say, the Ghana Registered Nurses and Midwifery, whatever association, this is the time they should be asking questions to say, okay, we have the hospital there. Thousands and thousands of people come in and leave. We get a lot of emergencies. We get a lot of accidents coming in here. We get a lot of people coming here for treatment. Why did this happen this time? Something should have started it. And we need to get to the bottom of it. What actually started Sadiewe, dear Namani see. Because you see, dear ma Sebi Omena now 2-4 said to Nanapia or minimum say, oh ye, Nanso, or send them do dimbim. What made Otumfo or say to decide to say one day, Obefra Santimeni Naka say, Yanji Sikani Fanko Hekonfonochi Hospital, no, Yanfanko Bohumbra. It was because he had noticed or witnessed some things happening at the hospital. It was because no who say BB because of hospital say Sebio Yanshan can Debio Debi no Asema Besino Yentumi so ano. Ebio who say hospital no Omo no what they needed as patients and they were not getting it. Ebio who say basic things to be also hospital provided no hospital need to be provided. Ebi so who say ebia the health practitioners and as a nurse for the doctors no omomode mbono bibi ena amana tochima amanipe bi ehwere omonkwa bokonfonochi. So these were all part of the reasons that okay say we will need to re-equip the hospital, we will need to refurbish the hospital, we will need to make sure say obiura hospital wa onkonkowu no bebefi. So there's a cause. Something actually happened to get us to where we are today. It's a Ridge Hospital issue, no? It should basically tell us something. And I'm so disappointed in the people who lead these sectors or this sector. The reason I'm saying I'm disappointed, and they say, When issues like this happens, this is when we get to sit back, and those court professionals are almost psychological part of it, a human emotional part of it, a human the expertise part. They know everything. This is the time they should be talking as intelligent people who know their job. This is the time we have to put aside our emotions, our political affiliations, making it look like, say, it is a fight between us and them.